And just like that, we are in the middle of August. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with Miss May Kamaring Ultra Baldita,
Hi, this is Alex
and
Brosas.
of course, you are watching the Kitty Show, ang Tayo na Tayan Showbiz Edition. And now, for our episode 11, Mare, oh my gosh, nakatapos na naman tayo isang bagong season.
Yeah.
Ilan ang ating organic subscribers?
We now have 14,291 plus subscribers.
Yes. Again, Alex and I are so appreciative and thankful of the fact that patuloy nyo kayong nag-subscribe, patuloy kayong nanonood, at syempre pa, patuloy nyo minamahal ang TTT Show. So ngayon, sa aming Easy Round, mag-uusapan natin ang dating phenomenal love team that was Aldab na binubuo nila Maine Mendoza at Alden Richards. Sa isang podcast kamakailan, nalaman natin na na-friend zone si Maine Mendoza ni Alden Richards. So, hindi na natin masyuratin ng friend zone. Malamang naman, marami sa inyo ang nakapanood noon. But, ang pinaka-latest na aming nasaliksik, merong special message or post si Maine Mendoza sa kanyang official X account. At ito nga, we gathered two of the most important paragraphs in the said post. Mare, pakibasa ang first paragraph.
I believe it's not a bad thing to share a personal story related to the question and topic as long as it's based on facts. There was no malice or ill intent behind my sharing that story about myself, him, and us. There are countless other stories I've kept to myself and chosen not to share. You know how podcasts work. They can be really personal, but ours didn't even go that far. All stories shared were surface level.
Okay, ito pa. Isa pang important paragraph ng aming nakal from her message is that all is well among the Dabarkads. We've all moved on and the past remains there. We can revisit and reflect on the good and the bad with a peaceful heart. 10 years on, we are all living the lives we chose. And I hope we can keep moving forward without nurturing hate. Because what's the point? What do we gain from hostility? Again, in the grand scheme of things, what truly needs proving? Find your own answer. Let's live for what makes us happy and make life less complicated and chaotic. So, ang bottom line kasi diyan, after nang inamin na na-friends na siya ni Alden Richards, maraming na-imbure na. Maraming nagigit, lalo na yung mga die-hard Aldab Nation. Na para ang dating sa kanila, pinapalabas daw ni Maine na mahinang klaseng lalaki si Alden Richards at hindi talaga siya nagustuhan. Ako kasi ang basa ko naman doon, at isa pa, parang pinapalabas rin na parang manggagamit ng shadow si Alden Richards. Ginamit lang ng ginamit si Maine. Nagpasakay lang na nagpasakay. Tapos wala namang palang talagang totoo. Ang sa akin kasi, ang tamang panahon dati ni Alden at ni Maine was just a fluke. Nagkataon lang, nagkawayan, tapos ginawa ng kwento, nag-click. At that episode was beneficial not only to Maine, but to Alden, but to the whole of Eat Bulaga. It brought in so million of advertisement. It brought in high ratings. That was the time na talagang kahit ang Showtime, tanggap nilang talo sila nung panahon ng Aldab phenomenon. Diba? So sa akin, hindi lang si Alden ang nanggamit, kundi nagtulungan talaga sila to make their love team force, a pop force during that time. Pero kasi nga tapos na yun. Sabi nga ni Maine, nagkataon lang na pagkwentuhan at nagpakatotoo lang siya. Yun lang ang basa ko doon. Let's not parang put more salt to a wound na magaling na.
Ako naman, it has become irritatingly sickening to admit. Kasi babae ka eh. Why should you admit? Parang ang lumalabas, parang siya ang ano pa eh, siyang attack kay Alden during that time. Kasi sinabi naman niya, she was very vocal.
She was very straightforward.
Oo, di ba? that is that is quite quite brave of her para sabihin niya.
Ako, sige, go.
Pero at the same time, parang cheapening nga.
Ako hindi. I don't see anything wrong for a woman or a lady to admit to a guy that, hey, I have feelings for you. And I don't find it cheapening. Kasi, hindi na naman to 1950s. Hindi na to 1940s. Basta lang ni 1970s o 1980s na ibang-iba yung standard. And men come from a generation na, quote-unquote, millennial. They're brave. They're direct. They ask things that they want. So, yung mga taong nachichipan sa ginawa niya, sige, choice nyo yan. Pero sa akin, on that alone, mabait pa rin nga si Alden. Eh. Di ba siya pa rin na nagsabi na, ayoko mawala yung magic. Parang hindi niya binigyan ng dahilan. Parang mas lalo pang masaktan si Maine kasi mababasted, di ba? Binasted niya si Maine, literally, na friend zone. So sa akin lang, parang hindi naman tama na kailangan pigilan mo ang sarili mo magpakatotoo. Lalo na feelings mo yun eh. All your feelings are always valid. Hindi sa akin parang, speaking from experience, ako if I like a guy, I say it to the guy. And I don't find it cheapening.
Ang kasi sa kanya is, yung closeness nila, ay hindi naman talagang closeness.
It was a manufactured closeness.
She doesn't know Alden inside out. Diba? Dediretsuhin ko na ba?
Tell it!
Hindi siya gusto ni Alden.
Oh, yun nga. Kaya nga sinabi.
Talagang outright talaga from the very start, she's not Alden's type.
Oh. Yun nga,
diba?
kaya nga it was work for Alden. It was also work for her. Nagkataon lang si Maine, nagkaroon ng feelings. At yung feelings hindi niya makontain, sinabi niya. At nagkataon, pinag-usapan yung sa podcast. But it was a thing from the past. So wala nang dahilan, parang mga tao magalit pa sa kanya o kay Alden. Kasi tapos na yun eh. May asawa na si Maine. Happy na si Alden sa kung kanino mo siya masaya.
But they're blinded followers, di ba?
Yung blinded followers. Yung Aldab Nation.
Oo, yung talagang
rabid Aldab Nation.
Talagang talagang kiniklaim pa na may anak. My
At
God.
This
diba?
time, I do hope yung mga nagagalit, buksan nyo na po ang mga mata nyo. Kinabi na nga ni May na binasted siya. Friend zone siya. So, walang anak. Na tatlo. Walang pupapakasal na nangyari. Si Maine po ay maligayang sa piling ng kanyang asawa, si Congressman Arjo Atayde. At si Alda naman ay maligaya sa kanyang mga pinagkakagawa. Gusto niyang yumaman, gusto maging piloto, gusto maging direktor, at kung ano-ano pa.
Oo. Pero tawag dito, itaga mo sa bato. Hindi magkakagusto si Alden sa Sa katulad ni Maine. Kasi it has been proven, di ba? Na hindi yun ang tipo niya.
Kasi obviously, hindi si Maine ang type niya.
Oo nga. Kaya nga.
I do not have the bolang bilog ni Manang Bola. Bolang bilog, wag tutulog-tulog. Para malaman ko, ano ba sa hinaharap ang type ni Alden Richards.
Only he knows.
Yeah, only he knows. At siguro, sabi nga the great modern day guru, Bea Alonso. Di ba, time is the ultimate truth teller. In time, malalaman natin kung sino talaga at ano talaga ang nagpapatibok sa puso ni Alden Richards as far as romance is concerned. Tama? O naninig kita mga tumamare. Parang may gusto kong explode.
Aray ko! Nasplok ko na, di ba? Pero hindi pa direct to the point.
Yes.
In all subtlety, di ba?
Yes. Saka importante, subtle na subtle. At ito na, ang walang ka-subtlety. Ang mahal na mahal namin si Prima Cabral. Mare, basa!
Blinded sa sobrang panatiko o talagang kinulong ito to discern what is right or wrong. Buti na lang ang busog sa talino ang
The
titi. Proud of you guys.
Maraming salamat naman.
Ano
Prima.
yun?
Yung tungkol dun sa Vice
versus Christy versus BDS.
Okay, ito pa. Si Taray Queen Garland, love your bravery to express your political stance, kapatid na Alwin. I agree on you both. Ayaw ka ba sa mga DDS? Pag si Digong, okay lang na, mag-joke. Pero pag iba, hindi,
Hindi.
hindi.
Ang tagal ng
Ang tagal ng,
character
ang
development.
tagal ng character development nila. Basa, Mare.
Mikel Yi. Grabe ang tatapang nyo. Kudos. Supalpal ang mga syungang DDS. More power po, Madam Alex and Alvin. Diyos ko.
At ito, tuwa-tuwa ako si Emma Maquinas. Sabi niya, natawa ako doon kay D. Kasi totoo naman yun. Ha, ha, ha.
Sino ba yun?
Si David, yung sinabihan kong badong umarte.
Okay.
Kung second demotion siya.
Diba?
So ngayon, ayoko na pong problemahin pa ang mga drama-rama sa buhay ni Maine Mendoza at lalong ayaw namin problemahin pa ang mga drama-rama sa buhay ng mga Aldab fanatics. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with Miss Kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And you are watching the Hitty Show, ang tayo na Talaken Showbiz Edition.